Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instapot beef brisket. Let's begin. We have here a beef brisket, flat cut brisket, and it's around 3.28 pounds. Let's open it up. There we go. It looks like the excess fat has already been trimmed, and now let's season it. First, we're going to add some salt. There we go. Make sure to get the sides as well. Turn it back around. Some garlic powder. You can be generous with the garlic powder. Make sure to get the sides. Some onion powder. Some paprika. Get the sides. Some black pepper. Turn around, do the other side. There you go. And lastly, some crushed rosemary. Try to press it in so that it sticks onto the brisket. Get the sides as well. Turn around, do the other side. There we go. Press it in. And lastly, we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the brisket. There you go. Spray the sides as well. And spray the other side. There we go. We're going to let it sit for 15 minutes and we'll be back. We let the beef brisket sit for 15 minutes and now let's put it in. First thing what we're going to do is add the trivet. Next we're going to add 1 cup of water and then we're going to add the beef brisket. This is what it looks like before we close it up. Now let's start cooking. We're going to pressure cook. And we're going to cook it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Here we go. It's preheating and we'll be back. The red pin has gone up, that means it's almost fully preheated. Okay, the Instapot is fully preheated and the timer started for 1 hour and 15 minutes on high pressure. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been on high pressure for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and now we're just going to let it natural release for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to preheat the oven on broil, and we're going to preheat it for 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes on natural release, and now let's release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down, that means it's safe to open. Let's take it out. We're going to take the beef brisket off the trivet. Next, we're going to brown up the brisket in the oven on broil. And let's put it in. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 5 minutes on broil. And let's take it out. Looking good. Next, we're going to let it rest for 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, the beef brisket has been resting for 20 minutes. Let's take it out. Let's slice it up. Looking good. It's really nice and tender. Okay, this is what we have today. Instant Pot beef brisket. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.